June 15th, 2019. Thought we'd do a little update. Saturday evening, just got done 4 o'clock Mass on the construction work here at St. Mary's, and a view that I saw for the first time maybe a month or two ago. A ceiling here, which will probably become commonplace in the future months, but for many of you watching, it's the first time you've probably seen that ceiling. So construction is continuing, and there used to be a ceiling of a normal height in here that years ago they must have blocked it off for heat purposes. But way up there, I guess probably close to 20 feet, well over 15, close to 20 feet in the air is the ceiling with that very interesting little design on it. A little perspective on where we're at. There's the outside facing the street, and now we'll go to where the back of the church construction is. We're looking at a huge piece here that I can't imagine that the walls are this thick, but this looks like it came out in one piece. This is standing, I'd say close to 4 feet tall. It's a huge pile of stone and mortar. It also looks like they took out a huge rock. This is the side of the hill with the school on the, well, former school up that way. And this is what they've opened up thus far. They are repurposing some of the stone, as we can see here. In previous posts we've shown what that looked like. They've repurposed a lot of that stone. They're continuing to gently remove these portions. I had originally thought that there were openings here before, but I can see this is all new supports up there. And this is the portion that they removed already here. Huge doorway. And of course they had to make new supports. And it looks like they are continuing to put in additional support in this area here. There's drainage. Several spots. Going down into the basement. There's also some kind of drainage here, which will be within the structure, I believe. So we like to do these updates, give you these views, because this is a site that will not be available a year from now. According to the update in the church, they've put the cap on the chimney. Looks like they've lowered that chimney. So our June 15th look at the construction of the new parish center adjacent to, as part of the St. Mary's Church here in Champlain. June 15th, 2019.